Intense Kid Construction Vehicles. Let's learn. Well, hello, Starla. Look, Starla has a purple egg. Let's see what's inside the purple egg. It's a yellow egg. And look, a blue egg. It's a bulldozer. Hello, Blaze. And you have a red egg. Let's see what's inside. It's an orange egg. And now a pink egg. It's an excavator. Great job, Blaze. Hello, Zeg. What color egg? It's a green egg. What's inside? It's a blue egg. And look, a purple egg. It's a dump truck. Thank you, Zeg. Hello, Stripes. Let's take a look at your orange egg. Let's open. You have a blue egg. And now a green egg. And look, it's a concrete mixer. Thank you, Stripes. Well, hello, Crusher. We see you have a blue egg. What's inside? It's a white egg. Oh, look, a black egg. It's a crane. Thank you, Crusher. Well, hello there, Pickle. It's a purple egg, Pickle. Let's see what's inside. A yellow egg. And now a blue egg. It's a road roller. Thank you, Pickle. Hello, Darrington. And you have a red egg for us. And what's inside? It's an orange egg. And now a pink egg. It's a mining truck. Well, thank you, Darrington. Thank you for watching Intense Kid. Make sure to subscribe and also like this video.